How to check if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most effective way is to check your story viewers. So go ahead and open Instagram and then post a story, and after a few hours open your story and swipe up to see the viewers list. People who consistently view your stories very quickly may be frequent visitors to your profile, and just in case if you see someone whom you do not follow, then you can tell that they are trying to stalk you. Now, the next way is check who regularly likes your post and pay attention to users who comment on most of your content. And frequent engagement can indicate that strong interest in your account. Next, review followers and follow requests. So open your followers list and look for accounts that repeatedly send you follow requests after being removed. Be cautious of suspicious accounts or fake accounts with little activity. You can also check your story reactions and DMs. So go ahead and see your story reactions and DMs. Users who often react to your stories or send messages may be monitoring your content closely. So review your message requests for unknown accounts. Instagram highlights. So if you have a professional account, you will see a Instagram highlight in here. You can then go ahead and open your insights from your profile and review profile visits, reach, and engagement metrics. Make sure that no app or website can accurately show who viewed your Instagram profile on Instagram, just like TikTok. So this was about how you can check if someone is stalking you on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.